I will show you how to add text behind an object in Premiere Pro. To start, select your clip and in the toolbar, select the Object Mask tool. Now head over to the preview and then select your object that you want the text behind. Premiere will now create a mask of the selected object. In Effects and Tools, you will now see this unassigned mask section with your mask on it. What you need to do now is simply dragging the object mask to the opacity section. This will remove the background of the video and only show the object. To track the object, press on the track forward and back button. Now to bring back the background of the video and add some text, simply move the video up 2 tracks and then duplicate the clip by holding Alt or Option on Mac and dragging it down 2 tracks. With the bottom clip selected, go to Effects and Tools and remove the object mask. Now add some text and then change the look of it to your liking. And to add the text behind the object, you just simply need to drag it in between the 2 clips. To elevate the look even further, you can apply one of the many text presets from my Ultimate Text Preset Pack, which you can find in the description below.